First time in Dubai, first time in a Lamborghini Huracan convertible. Sometimes it's still a little bit weird, but I'm driving a freaking Lamborghini in Dubai and we're going inside of the Brabus store. Where the hell is that poor factory kid that used to work for Heinz? I have no idea. One of my favorite YouTubers, probably guys have heard of him, the Stratman himself. I've been talking a little bit with the Stratman as well, and I gotta say, really lovely chap, really like him. Anyway, let's go inside and I'll show you what was revealed today. The Brabus 1000 rocket. Only 25 will be made. I'll talk about it when you see it. So we got 1000 horsepower. Yep, you heard that right. 1000 horses. Italian Dubaian stallion. No, it's German made, of course. A lot of carbon fiber going on over here. And we got 1820 newton meters of torque. Yeah, they drilled it up to 4.5. Look at that. 1820 newton meters of torque. Look at that. That thing is absolutely nuts. Let's open this beast up. Show you guys the inside as well. Typical Brabus. Black on black. And of course this is a masterpiece which says that every single thing has been touched by Brabus. Look at that. Even a carpet. Look at that. This thing is an absolute masterpiece. Oh yeah, we also got a 6x6 over there. And yeah, this is the brand new shop. Brand new Brabus signified store. I'm gonna take you guys through it for a little second. And Brabus is also working with the very nice Panerai witches. Look at that. And over there you can spec your new ride. We got some clothing on the side. That is actually my sweater that guy has on. I already have that. And the helmets that come with the motorcycle as well. Brabus 1300R. This one too, look at that. So we get the Brabus wheels as well. With of course carbon fiber. And this is the wall where you can choose or spec your Brabus as you wish. Look at that. Masterpiece. Stainless steel petrol. This is petrol colored. Nice. If I would ever go for a sample, I would take this one. Like black with a little bit of red. And these are all different stitching. Look at that. Yeah, this one is like cross pattern. This, look at that stitching. That's some crazy ass stitching right here. And then all different kinds of carbon fiber, a little more, a little crazier, a little that. Look at that. That's nice. That was the Brabus store. Me and Jaap are going to the after party and we're inside of a buggy. Now I asked the guy in the buggy to actually drive the buggy, but he was like, no. But I was like, I really want to drive the buggy. I was like, no. Probably gonna get my foot chopped off in this country if I steal the buggy. So I've seen a couple of cool rooftops, but nothing as cool as this. Habibi, welcome to Dubai.
You say that money cannot buy happiness?
Hey!
Habibi, come to Dubai.
I have no words. Now it is day 3 for Smokey in Dubai, and yeah, we got rid of the Lamborghini. It's a good time though, but like I said, I don't really care about all this fancy stuff, and I do care about this one. Holy cow!
Holy cow!
We're going to the Brabus showroom again right now, and then we're going on a boat. So we just walked out of this pharmacy because we needed sunblock. These stores, you just walk in, there's about 4 people that come over to you, and you're like, hey, you need help, good morning, this and that. They're like, even if you would ask them to clean your toes, they will probably do it. But yeah, we just need sunblock, and the girl was like, oh, come with me, into the very expensive aisle, showing some very expensive sunblock. She just opens the box, puts some very expensive stuff on my hand. Very soft, very soft. I was like, yeah, I don't really speak English that well. And my buddy Jaap, He already saw the cheap ones that we use in our country, in Belgium, because we are cheap people. And he was like, "Hey, we need this one." I was like, "I'm sorry, lady." The lady said something in Korean to the other one, like,
Korean.
I don't know, wasn't it Korean? Not sure. I think it was Korean. Like, screw this guy. He's not using the expensive stuff. This guy, he needs a trim. We arrived at the Marina, and we're ready for the boat.
That's more. It's like a 60 something.
Yeah, they have like an airfield strip in the harbor, and over here there are also like people jumping out. But this is an airstrip. Fun fact I just heard, they have like the biggest Ferris wheel here in Dubai, but it doesn't turn. Because all of this island, they made especially for the Ferris wheel, but it's making so much noise. It's also very vibrating. So the whole island is vibrating and the thing makes too much noise. So it actually never runs. Anyway, they do have the biggest Ferris wheel. Brabus also brought their Shadow 900 just to spin some rounds and take some people. Now, last 3 days have been absolutely mind-boggling. This is the palms behind me. But this place have been pretty freaking amazing. Now, I don't really want to live here. A lot of people always say like, Dubai is the place to be. I'm just as happy in my own small little hometown. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Smokey goes Dubai. What's there to say? I'm gonna be hella happy when I get back home and drive my motorcycle in my shitty hometown in the freaking cold weather. Anyway, thanks again, Brabus. Thank you so much. Peace. Drive safe. See ya.